Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A24 and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Cloner. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down to Access Advanced Features. Then scroll all the way down and click on Dual Messenger. Finally, just click on the gray sweater next to one of your available apps that you wish to clone and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Then read the disclaimer and hit confirm. In order to use separate contact list, click on the gray sweater at the top. If you don't want to do it, select Next at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. As you can see now, after a couple of seconds, or sometimes minutes, when I go back, I can see that my app was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!